Attention, 30 and older Facebook lovers. I, your girl, Lady Luscious, presents to you Facebook Fridays. If you enjoy conversing with your friends online, then how about hooking up and meeting with them at Facebook Fridays? You can take pictures and party with them. We also have $5 martini drink specials, or your choice of the jumbo buffalo wing special or the chicken finger special for only $10. Just come to Pistol Pete's, 2nd floor, 1000 West Black Horse Pike, Pleasantville, New Jersey, every Friday, and you'll be surprised who you'll meet or run into. Doors open at 11. Ladies and gentlemen, get in free till 12. For more information, you can contact us at 609-404-6014. Again, that's 609-404-6014.
Duck is back and a brand new track. Tell all the girls them chopping like it's hot. Slim, me no fat, me brown, me no black. Dracula a turn in a one vampire bat. Duck is back and a brand new track. Tell all the girls them chopping like it's hot. Slim, me no fat, me brown, me no black. Dracula a turn in a one vampire bat.
Finally, Mr. Slick Talk is back. All Max pimps and players are loving that. Mr. Official Tissue is back to push the issue. Sorry haters, I know my mojo's getting to you. And I don't rap, I just talk slick to the track. To the point that the drums and snares hollered back. You are not an OG if you don't know me. Unless OG stands for overrated geek. I'm a diamond in the rough. Wolf will probably roll Dutch, lick my lips once. Broads want me to crush. One was an old lady wearing Old Navy. I told her go down on me. She said okay baby. She got in the zone, had me talking in baritone.
Gave me the one chick of my life, put mascara on.
Not only did she have a fatty, she had on thongs. So I dug up in the wild watching Cheech and Chong.
Duck is back and a brand new track. Tell all the girls them chopping like it's hot. Slim, me no fat, me brown, me no black. Dracula a turn in a one vampire bat. Duck is back and a brand new track. Tell all the girls them chopping like it's hot. Me slim, me no fat, me brown, me no black. Dracula a turn in a one vampire bat. I know Zach alone, pass me the microphone. I know people, them a take life be gravy. Don't want to work every day, them lazy. Let I get up fast, Giant maybe. Warwick rock out them all, Jesus save me. And they said why them a plan to rob Miss Daisy. Them have me in a studio every day, them a slave me. Know me licking out the tooth, they said that me crazy. Know me hear a boy shout out so much in grow. Me never take me diaper. When me a baby, mama used to give me saltfish and macaroni. Why November when me little bit and bony. I like to see the girls and what ya tenderoni. Like the girl Paulette and a girl named Lonely. Girl I cover with us but they want to how the hell them a do it when they never did know me. Show me do a hit song, me sign with Sony. Me argument show me the world.
DR Period Productions.
Live from Atlantic City, home of the gamblers. We so scandalous, they can't handle us. They loving sick talk in Los Angeles. I smoke every track like chocolate cannabis. About my business, you shit endless. Or get erased like a hit list, you'll be missed. And to my females, I love you long time. If I could, y'all would all be mine. I would tap all y'all spines all of the time right after I unwind. And the mic checks right, I'm there tonight. Just got one question, please don't bite. No pain, all pleasure, sex on the dresser. Yes sir, I'm here to impress her, but I accomplish more than that. Probably because I'm much more than that. All the homies over there, all the shorties over there. Everybody just come over here, over here. All the fellas over there, all the ladies over there. Everybody just come over here, over here. All the homies over there, all the shorties over there. Everybody just come over here, over here. All the fellas over there, all the ladies over there. Everybody just come over here, over here. Pinky ring that caught her eye. You can see the pinky ring reflect off her eye. Plus the wrist gleaming like the beams on high. How I'm living, the limit is the sky. Look at her right there. Nice hips, nice thighs. I'm about to tell her a little white lie. I feel like I'm
smooth, at times she gets smooth. My female, and she look better than
about me. Because of that, she ain't gotta worry about me. Unless she believes that my life's in danger. That could bring forth for anger that I couldn't blame. I got a good job, but it ain't hard. My ride or die chick maneuvers